I mean, bruh, you see that coming at you and what do you do? That looks so beautiful, guys. Like, how the car gets in the morning. That's crazy. Good morning, boys. Hope you have a great day today. When your car's too low. What goes back here, dude? Oh my gosh, let me go. Oh my freaking neighbors, I'm sorry for the following moments. I really am. This is what happens when you have a low car. Do not lower your car, kids. Don't lower your car. So first, actually what we're gonna do, so we don't have to do a lot of work, before we get the car up, we're gonna go ahead and twist the tires so we can get these bolts right here first. I just realized I haven't even said what we're doing today, but it's exciting, it's exciting. So I want you guys to look at the car and see if you notice anything that's basically off on the car. Little hint, it's towards the mid of the bumper and to the corners. These right here are Evo R DRLs, and you're like, wait, I just realized they're not working. They freaking suck. Not knocking the company, this isn't something new. These DRLs absolutely suck. They're not attached to like, cause it's like a sort of a housing. I'm gonna put up the video that I installed them like somewhere up here. It's sort of like a housing, and then the DRLs, thankfully you can take them off and put them back on. The housing is perfect, the bracket is perfect, but the DRLs they send you, I recommend if you go ahead and buy this, buy aftermarket DRLs, which is what I just did, and it's taken me literally like almost a year. These lights haven't worked in a year. All right, so we got these weather-resistant DRLs. We got 7, which we got 5, so we have a 2 extra, but these were not that expensive at all. I believe it was $15, something along those lines, and I bought it through eBay. I'll put the link in the description if you guys need the same thing. But yeah, boys, today we're gonna have a car that has some pretty sick lights. Like, just imagine it, those 2 lights at the bottom lighting up, as well as the headlights. I think I was gonna jump to when the bumper's off, because you guys have seen me take the bumper off like at least 1,000 times. There's a bunch of connections that I don't even remember right here. Same as on this side. We'll figure it out. So yes, I changed my shirt, but let me try to explain to you guys sort of what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna take them off from the bracket, but I think we actually have to take off the whole bracket to be able to actually take out the LEDs. The LEDs are all together and they're going wired to the ground and to the positive, which is wired over there as well with the other ones. Just like that. Here's the bracket we're talking about. So I don't know how we're gonna take these off. So yeah, just basically take out all the cables through here. It's disgusting. Look at this, they're literally falling apart. And look how weird the car looks just with, even if the lights aren't lit up, it covers that hole, and look how weird it looks with the hole. Like what? Look at this side. And now look at this side. I think these LEDs are a little bit bigger than the hole, so I have to make it, let me see. Make sure they don't get wet. All right, we're good. Oh wow, yeah, see? They're much bigger actually than the hole. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to make that hole a little bit bigger, boys. All right, so knowing that the hole was not gonna be big enough, I actually went ahead and bought a rotary, can't even speak, rotary tool. It wasn't that expensive, it was like 30 bucks I think, and should do the job. It came with like little attachments that you can open up the hole. So let's stop talking about holes and let's get to doing it. Finally finished the first hole. This is gonna be extremely time consuming, but look how it's turning out. Much better. and that's super tight in there. Like I said, the rubber kind of just goes through with it. But man, this is really time consuming. There you guys can see like the before. There you guys can see like the before, and then look at the after. Always be checking up to make sure that you don't overdo it, so they can like it can fit snug and water doesn't get in. But all right, back to work. This is starting to look pretty damn good. Bruh, I am proud of this. So I just went ahead and did this off camera, kind of just, I don't know what you would call this, but I took the plastic out so we get more cable. Then I connected all the negative, which you can see right there. You're gonna connect all the positive. But then one thing I'm kind of concerned about, I sort of forgot where the positive goes and where the negative. I think this cable right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, it's the positive. I'm gonna have to like follow it and see if it goes. And we basically grounded the negative right up here. In case you guys haven't seen that video, right here we grounded the both negatives actually. So that's a pretty good spot. And the 12 consistent bolt goes from here through here, down here. You can see it right here, and it goes right into the cigarette lighter, I think it is. Yeah, I think it's a cigarette lighter. I don't remember. I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah. What was that? And then we're gonna use these little, I guess you can say, butt connectors, which protect it from the weather. I know we're in Florida, but it does rain like you just saw, so we gotta protect them. You basically put both wires through here, then just slam it in the middle, and you can melt it, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, pretty exciting. I was thinking of using another attachment. Let me try another attachment and see how it goes. Let's try this one. I don't think this one's gonna be as good. It's not as pointy. This literally ate right through it. Yep, I think I was using the wrong attachment because this just ate right through it. Look at that. Bro, I'm proud of myself. That looks so good. I just remember we gotta go to the fuse box. Oh, where are these fuse? Alright, so the cable should be, here it is. So what we do is we wrap the cable to this 15 one right here. A little bit like that. Then we put it back in. I have not picked up the camera. Oh my gosh. My back from bending over. Alright, so I just basically set everything up. Let me show you guys what I did. So every time I connected one cable to another, I put this little, like I said, butt connector in between. Or like if they're all connected right here in this bundle, I put the butt connector and then I kind of crunched it down and they're all connected in there, and then I just wrapped it around. Same thing for that side. But are you guys ready to see how cool this thing looks? You guys are awesome. 3, 2, 1. This looks so freaking good. I'm gonna go to like a place where I can be by myself and like I can get a far shot of the car, but I'll put everything back together and I'll catch you guys there. But next level good. Holy crap. I mean, bruh, you see that coming at you and what do you do? That looks so beautiful, guys. Like, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like how it looks right now, because I've had these lights for at least like I would say at least 10 months, and out of those 10 months they worked for like 2. So now to have it back to working correctly how they should, yes. One more look, because it just looks so good. Success, boys, success. I was having a little trouble in the beginning, but because I thought the white was positive and the black was negative, but in reality, the black was positive and the white was negative, so I had to switch it around, but now we're good, boys. I could not be happier, man. I can just look at it all day, seriously. Just look at that. I feel like this is a really good shot right here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I have a couple mods coming for the 370Z. One sort of big one. It's gonna look so amazing and aggressive. Wait for it. Should be here next week, so be hyped for that. I will obviously update you guys on it, and we'll let you guys know as soon as it arrives. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Smash that thumbs up. Smash it. Subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends and everybody. And yeah. Oh, I can't stop looking at it. I just can't. I'm so happy. Peace out, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm truly grateful. Peace out. See you guys on to the next one. Peace.